Imagine waking up to fresh air, breathtaking mountain views, and the peaceful sounds of nature without being too far from the city. Welcome to Piña Grove Residences, a boutique residential community nestled in the heart of Calauan Laguna, just around 1.5 hours from Metro Manila. Surrounded by the beautiful landscapes of Laguna, including the iconic Mount Kalisungan, Mount Banahaw, and Mount Makiling, Piña Grove offers a refreshing escape from the fast pace of city life while keeping everyday essentials within easy reach. The Municipal Hall, LGU offices, hospitals, public market, grocery stores, schools, restaurants, and other daily conveniences are all just minutes away, giving you the perfect balance between peaceful living and practical accessibility. And the future is becoming even more exciting. With Calauan's growing local economy, upcoming infrastructure developments, and improved connectivity through new road networks and future access via South Luzon Expressway, and soon, TR4, the area is steadily becoming one of Laguna's promising places to live and invest. Whether you're looking for a place to build your family's future, enjoy a quieter lifestyle, or invest in a growing community, Piña Grove Residences offers a setting designed for generations to come. Life here isn't about choosing between nature and convenience. It's about having both. Piña Grove Residences, built for life, designed for generations.